Sam has a red.
Hello mga kababayan, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat dyan. So dito sa Pilipinas mga kababayan ay alas 7 na ng gabi. So dito si Ninita ngayon. Kaway-kaway ka naman dyan, Ninits.
No.
So nandito kasi siya mga kababayan kasi paturuan ko siya ng aking pamangkin ng magbasa para matuto naman po siya mga kababayan. So alam naman natin mga kababayan, no? So papasalamatan ko lang po ang nagpapadala ng ating mic. Tulad nito mga kababayan, buksan natin to si si Ma'am Ann Universe. Maraming salamat po sa iyo, Ma'am. So nagpadala po siya sa atin ng mic. Kasi daw sabi niya halos daw hindi niya marinig yung boses ko. So para daw marinig mga kababayan, nagpapadala na lang siya ng mic. Thank you po sa iyo, ma'am. No? At buksan natin to para magamit natin ngayon. Kasi si Ninita rin ay mahina din yung boses niya. Ito pa. Buksan natin mga kababayan. Yan. Ito na yung laman. Sinsya na kayo mga kababayan, may isda. May magbibenta ng isda. So ito yung laman mga kababayan. Yun. Thank you po. So ito, pakita natin. Yun mga kababayan. Thank you po. May mic na tayo. Yun. Ito yung maraming salamat po sa iyo, ma'am. At meron pang isa, stand. Galing din ito sa kanya. Maraming salamat po sa iyo, ma'am, talaga. So para meron akong magamit kahit mag-isa lang ako. Yan. Ito na. So, maraming salamat po sa iyo, ma'am. Malaking tulong ito para sa akin. At lalo na itong microphone. Maraming salamat po sa iyo. Para kung malubat itong ating mic, meron tayong papalit. So, minsan kasi mga kababayan ay malubat. Hindi ko alam na nalubat na pala. So, pag tinignan ko yung video, wala nang boses. No? So, mahirapan na po ako paano voice over. Hindi kasi ako marunong mga kababayan. So, inulit ko po. Thank you po. At mag-umpisa na kami sa pagturo kay Ninita.
Bed. Found. Dal. Ang sa imbas na. Ma'am put the dish Mom put the dish on the clean table. Kasiin. Table. Ayan. Mom put the dish on the clean table. Clean table. Put the duck swam in the deep pond. Swam pond the deep duck. Which word starts with the sound? Which word starts with the sun, dog, cat, fish. Which picture shows a word with the at the beginning. Drum. Shoe. Left. Word. Identity. Dito ako. Identity. The add one on out. Dig. Deep. Pen. How many the sounds are in the done. Drop the dal. Which word frames with dig. Log. Pig. Sun. Cup. Cake. Then circle the word, N, E, each, tense, this one, sentence, but, begins, with, the, sound, them, done, pick, up, S, C, H, his, read, ball, then, done, red, ball, pick, the, dog, love, loves, to, play, and the, isa yun, then, sino pa, let title, some, the S, Psalms, but, some has a red mat, he likes to see it on the it as at school one day. The mat tore some felt sad in his friend said we can fix it the use the tape in made it strong again some they smiled up and you now we can share then was team ay kakon is what color is Sam's mat and how them did some feel we when the mat tore what did the yes to fix the mat how who he help her some why they did did,
did some
smile,
smile at the end.
Siin. Yan.
Sun sat
Psalms. Siguro.
sun so
Sweet
sweet
surprise.
surprise
Surprise.
Sam was a
Thoughtful.
thought
Thoughtful.
thoughtful by
Boy.
boy how
Who
who love to
make
make
others
others
smile.
smile. One
Sunny.
sunny to
Tuesday.
Tuesday he
Noticed.
noticed his play
Teacher.
teacher looking
Mm.
they
Tired.
died
This one.
looking
This one.
looking
This one looking.
looking
This one looking. This one looking.
looking
Looking.
Looking. Looking. Có nghĩa là looking. Looking. Indo.
looking
Indo.
they
Tired.
died
Thấy có không?
tired what
I
we
want
want to help he
help.
help
Help.
help
Help.
help he said he they
Tip.
tip
Should.
should attitude to the
Desk.
this
Desk.
this
Stuck.
the me
See. Missy.
missy ba
Papers.
papers and let
Left.
a
Sticky.
sticky
Sticky.
on
Note.
note
Sticky note.
sticky note you
Your
your the so
sweetest.
sweetest so
Smartest.
the
Teacher.
teacher
When
when
Mrs.
teacher
Tess so
it she
smiled.
was
Dime.
one
What
what a teacher
terrific. Terrific.
terrific
This one.
terrific
Student.
students
She
said some
felt
felt like a So we
Sino P?
we
Super
super
star.
star.
Doon.
Superstar. Sino?
Sino? Sino?
Then Dan
Dan.
Dan and the digging dog. Dan had a dog na
Name
named
Dusty.
Dusty. Dusty loved to
Dig.
dig head
Near
nail
near
near the book
door.
door. There
So,
the
Ano ko rin? Sino? Dig.
dig by the
Desk.
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 Dead
Right.
and mom's the
Dale.
dale
Dale.
yes. So
Dusty.
Dusty so
Don't.
done with
Cried.
cry. He God
Gave.
gave
Dusty.
Dusty a doll and a the doll
Drum.
drum.
Drop.
Drop the doll, then
Dig.
the
Hair.
hair that said
Ano? Pointing.
to a
Dirt.
with
Pile.
fire.
Dusty.
The
Dropped.
dog in
Danced.
dance no more
Dahlias. Dahlias.
Darius dog up good good dog that then he
Shared.
search
Sa tigot-takot. Title. Isang title.
Ben
Lily.
in the so
Lost. Ano na yun?
are one
Moon. Ribbon.
in a so
Small.
to
Town.
on a hill
There.
there red,
live,
live, been,
friendly,
friendly, ray,
rabbit,
rabbit, how,
who,
love,
carrots,
carrots, one, so,
sunny,
sunny, morning, been, head, lead,
lily,
lily, the, goat,
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 crying,
crying,
near,
nail, the,
near,
nail,
near,
near, the, then, hello, lily, been,
ask,
arse,
ask,
ark,
ask,
arse,
ask,
ask, God,
gent, gently,
gently, are you okay?
okay,
Okay. Am,
I'm,
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 I'm sad,
hmm,
sad,
sad,
lily,
replied,
replied, so,
softly,
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 softly, let
tears,
tears on her
cheeks,
sick,
cheeks,
sick,
cheeks,
sick. I look,
lost,
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 lost my
favorite,
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 for,
favorite,
for,
fa,
favorite,
favor,
favorite,
oh, na, ribbon,
ribbon, been, said,
sat,
sad, we,
beside,
beside, he,
hair,
her, a,
listening,
listening,
carefully,
carefully,
losing,
losing, no,
some
some,
thing,
thing,
something,
something. We
special,
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 special can make us
as,
us
feel,
Last na last.
eh, feel,
feel red,
really,
really sad. He said,
kindly,
can,
kindly,
kindly.
I've
I've looked
every,
everywhere,
everywhere,
everywhere, really,
signed,
sign. My,
maybe,
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 can,
think,
I can
help,
been so,
suggested,
so
suggested,
suggested. With a so
smile,
smile we can
search,
search so
together,
together
together,
together lily be
brightened,
brighten do you
think,
think we can
find
it. We
well
will yeah
try
try all
our
our best
best
been
assured
assured
here
here a
encouraging
equal
in
encouraging
encouraging
he
here
here
as
as they
being searched
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 just
no,
as
as
the sun
set
set been so
something
something is
shiny
shiny on a
tree
tree look really good
exclaim
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 pointing
thing a
excitedly
excitedly
there's
you
your
really
yun, ribbon
really
gasp
with
with delight
you so found it
hindi niya
start
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 the T start
with
with
a
first sound
to is was is
yun,
the
new
new word sub to
tap
tip
start with
the
sat change
the
last
sound to be was is
yun,
the
new
word a tab
yun,
b
sit
say had
yun niya start
away
map change
the
first
sound to be was is
Yeah.
the
new
word
pa in is in
a
a
word
Pap.
Pop. B.
Tap.
Top. Is.
C.
C. Top. C.
Start.
Stars.
Ito nagaling awin. Nag-iing man siya tanan.
Stars. Away.
With.
With. Bus.
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 Bus. A.
Ano? Change.
Train. The. La.
Last.
Last. Sound. To. The. Was.
What's.
What's. The.
New.
Your. Word. A. But. B.
Ban.
Ban. C.
Bat.
Bat.
Ang hindi niya mabigkas na letter ay ang letter C at S. Pero sisikapin natin para sisikapin ko na tulungan ka para maka-survive ka sa second quarter. At sana huwag kang mahiya sa akin dahil gusto ko lang matuto ka. At sana huwag kang mahiya sa akin dahil gusto lang kitang tulungan at para matuto ka. At yung mga letrang hindi mo mabigkas, ulit-ulitin mo lang para hanggang ma-pronounce mo ng maayos.
Thank you.
Ayun po mga kababayan, no? So, sa sunod naman, bukas na naman, ituro natin kay Nenets, math na naman o Tagalog? Math na naman o magbasa pa rin? Ano ang maganda?
Magbasa pa rin.
Magbasa pa rin. Pero turuan din natin siya ng math kahit ilang minuto lang. Marunong ka sa math, Nets?
Konti.
Bante, 1 plus 1.
To.
To.
Mm.
Marunong ka pala. Turuan natin kasi po mga kababayan ay reading ay nakakalungkot po. No? So, dapat sikapin natin it's para mabawi natin yung first grading na kakalungkot isipin. Ha? Huwag kang mahiya sa ate mo dahil gusto lang kaniyang tulungan. Hindi rin pwede nga ako magtulong sa iyo, Nets, dahil wala akong natapos. No? So, hanap lang tayo ng sayo para maano yung exercise yung hindi naman tayo mahiya sa ating sponsor. Yan lang po mga kababayan. Maraming salamat po. Halika dito. Niya yung kanyang anak. Gusto po ni nanay nga matuto si Ninita. Sabi po ni nanay mga kababayan, ang hirap pag walang pinag-aaralan. So, ang hirap na yun, no? So, tuloy tayo. Tuloy lang ang laban natin. Sana po ay sumikap ka, Nets, para sa kinabukasan mo. At hindi ito para sa amin. Hindi ito para sa akin. Ano? At hindi ito para sa kay Jumilin. At hindi para kay nanay. No? Para ito sa'yo. Para matuto ka. At makatapos. No? So, may sponsor ka naman. Hindi tayo pwedeng sumuko. Laban tayo hanggang matuto ka. Yun lang po mga kababayan. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Walang sawang nagasubaybay sa ninyo. Ako, laging nandyan kayo mag-subaybay ng PBT. So, kami ay nagpapasalamat sa buong loob. Mag-ingat kayo dyan palagi. God bless you.